Cut 1. Who you looking at, man?
No one. Who are you looking at?
This is my seed.
Okay, bye. Who said no?
Round 2.
Let me check. Wait. Let me check.
Stop!
Okay, pull.
Jeez.
Okay, bye.
So, round 2.
Okay, that's better.
Walking down the road, walking down the road. Walking down the road and walking down the road. Walking.
What?
The crane kick.
Okay, bye.
Round 3. Hi.
Hi. Ow.
Stop this violence.
No, Grandma. No, Grandma. Yay. You beat up my Grandma. Grandma, num.
I don't care.
Oh, man, Jesus. Call God for me. Sorry. I was new. Get out of my head.
Look at the recording, Emma.
It's my head. Look at my head. It's beautiful. Okay, bye.
Okay, stop, Emma.
Oops, it was moving.
So, if you have any things to tell my sister about endings in videos,
Don't check them out. They're horrible.
just
I only got 1 subscriber.
if you want to subscribe in one of our channels, which none of you will, because we're just kids right now.
Don't do it to mine. It's horrible. And my voice acting, it's horrible too.
Dun 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 dun.
I'm never repainting my
Dun,
stuff.
dun, dun.
So don't do that to my phone. Okay, I don't know whether
I am Grandpa, so if you want it, so if you want it,
I can do a better voice.
so if you want to see anything else,
hey,
just leave it in the comments if you do.
Okay,
There's not going to be a lot of comments. And my sister's channel is Emma Jarvis.
And I'm a J if you want to do it shortly.